everybody, it's Linus at Stigler Printing. We just finished up a really fun project. I thought I'd take a quick moment to kind of walk you through it. We've never done a trailer. Jennifer Fenton came to us not that long ago and asked us if we would help her with a new snow cone stand, which is called Snowpokes. And I guess you can tell whether they like OU or OSU. So anyway, it's got an OSU theme, and I wanted to walk you through some of the things that we did. And it was really cool because she gave us really carte blanche to do what we wanted. We created this really cool logo right here, and with the pistols. And then we created a barbed wire kind of theme going around the top. It wraps around both sides. And then created a fun little logo here. Little snow cone guy with some pistols. And we got a lasso, and then we just sprinkled their logo on a badge around the trailer. I'm going to give you kind of a walk around, and if it's summer, so if you have a trailer and you're thinking about getting that trailer out for the summer, this is not a very expensive project. So for a small investment, you can have really cool decals going around your trailer. Anyway, I think it turned out really cool. This was a fun project. This is cut vinyl. This is layered cut vinyl, and kind of old school, but that color combination works really well. I'm going to step in here and show you a couple other things that we did inside. Maybe you can see them, maybe not. We had some extra decals. So on their cooler right here, we put their Snowpokes decals so that every time they raise up this hatch or this door, people can see the logo. And then we had a bunch of extra barbed wire stencils. So we've put those on the walls. And then just in a couple of spots, we put the Snowpokes logo over here, and we put the cool logos here and here. And it just kind of personalizes it. It's all pretty inexpensive stuff to do, and just kind of that extra touch that we think makes this project look really good. So anyway, that's it. If you have a trailer, you know somebody with a trailer, and they're bad need of decals, visit us online at stiglerprinting.com or call us today at 918-967-8768. Stay safe. Have a great summer.